Hi everyone, and welcome back to another video, and welcome back to the channel. If you haven't been here before, my name is Vector Kelly and my whole channel is based around photography, so tips and tricks and just general stories about me as a photographer. I'm trying to give you guys tips and tricks to help you if you're starting off in photography. So in today's video I'm going to talk about mobile phone photography and where it stands against like DSLR photography or just normal camera photography. This all came because I was in like a natural forest park, and I had no camera with me and I had the drone with me, but I still wanted to get some really nice shots and just to post on social media and just to have for myself. And when I came home and edited the photos, I seen that I could still pull a lot of information from the photo because I can now shoot raw on my phone. I'm going to play like a little game, and I'm going to throw up two images on the screen, and I want you guys to guess whether they were taken on a phone or whether they were taken on my camera. So the first one will be up in 3, 2, 1. So the two photos up on screen right now, one of them has been taken with a phone, and I want you guys to guess, and I will give you guys 3 seconds to guess which one was taken with the phone and which one was taken with the camera. 3, 2, 1. So you can see which one was taken by the phone and which one was taken by the camera, and the one that was taken with the phone was on the forest park that I was in, and you can see that there's not much of a difference between that one and the actual camera one. The only way that you'll be able to tell the difference in a phone photo and a camera photo is if you are going to be printing that photo like very, very large. And aside from that, if you're posting on social media, Instagram and Facebook both compress the hell out of photos, so you're not going to be able to tell which one was taken where unless you specify which one was taken on. Just for fun, I'm going to do another 2 rounds of the photo challenge. So in 3, 2, 1. So again, you can see 2 photos up on screen. One was taken with a phone, one was taken with the camera, and I want you guys to guess which one was taken with which, and I'll give you guys 3 seconds to figure that out. 3, 2, 1. So as you can see again, the photo that was taken with the phone, you wouldn't be able to distinguish that from the one taken by the camera. So it is a bit interesting to kind of do the side-by-side comparison. Sorry. And the last round I will do now in 3, 2, 1. So again, 2 photos up on screen, one taken with the phone, one taken with my camera, and what do you guys think? What do you guys think each one was taken with? And again, 3, 2, 1. As you can see again, the photo taken with the camera isn't that much more different than the one taken with the phone. And I used to be very against, people saying like, oh, I'm a photographer and all they use is their phone, because at the end of the day, it's whatever you have to capture with, and whatever you have to capture with is your camera. And like I've just shown you there now, you can get really good photos with just a phone. In fact, this is the phone that I'm currently using, and that's the phone that was taking a picture of the photo with a bridge. It's a Huawei Mate 20 Pro with just a standard camera, telephoto zoom, wide angle lens, and standard camera. Any phones, even iPhones, have the built-in long exposure feature if you wanted to get rid of so many people in the one photo. You can do amazing things with phones now, and you don't necessarily need to rely on the likes of Adobe Lightroom to edit your photos. You can also use Snapseed, which is a free Android and iOS app for developing raw photos. But Lightroom is free to a certain extent. You can still edit everything in Lightroom if you want to download it through your phone. And the only thing you can't do is you won't have access to like some of the already made presets, and I think like syncing with the cloud. And there's one other thing, but I can't think about it off the top of my head just at this moment in time. So that's what I wanted to come on here to say. And if you ever want to get into photography and you don't have a camera but you have a smartphone, don't worry about it and just go out, take photos. If you can, shoot them in RAW, edit them from that, and you will be on your way to becoming, you know, a really good photographer. Once you have built up money or whatever it is, get, you know, an entry-level camera, even if it's a couple of years old, and start shooting. You don't necessarily need the highest branded camera. You don't need the newest camera. You don't need anything like that. And that's the lesson I want to sort of portray today, that you don't need fancy gear just to take good photos. Like for instance, and I keep repeating this, that my camera is a D3300, and some of the photos that I've gotten are stunning, at least in my eyes and what I've been told online. And that's coming from an entry-level camera that came out in, I'm not sure, but I'm going to put it like right here, when the date of the camera came out. And that's it for this video. So as always, if you like this video, give it a little thumbs up because it genuinely does help. Subscribe if you're not already subscribed. And if you find this in any way useful or think that someone else will find it useful, share the link to them, tell them to come over to the channel and check it out. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.